Hello, traders. This is Andy with Trade Ideas, and it is May the 23rd on a Tuesday. And let's take a look at the markets. Spies, it looks like they're gapping down a little bit today. I'm not crazy about entering new positions in this market, and if I am, I'm typically maybe looking for small size on a pullback. I'll give you an example here in just a second. But the spies, they have that feel that they want to come back and maybe test this level and maybe test this 10 period moving average. So it's a time to be patient. But let's look at some nice setups today. I'm liking this LAC the way it's setting up. Okay, this is a lithium company. You got that 10 period moving average coming up. This can be a high flyer. Maybe just set a. I like to maybe be a little early and set a little alert right here around just above 23 on that LAC. Um, AI is a momentum play. It's had a decent move, but boy, when I look left, boy, it really looks like we may want to go to this 32 level at some point. There's nothing to keep it from, on the chart. It may have a destiny, I guess is what I'm saying. Semi here, ON, nice setup, but once again, it could pull back. This is where I might set an alert down here on the 10 period moving average, just above 83, just in case it wants to pull back and maybe trigger. Another great example is, these big tech high flyers like Amazon. Okay, it's had a nice move, but look at it pulling back here the last couple of days, gapping down a little bit today. Looks like it may want to test this 10 period moving average on the daily. This is where I may want to put in like a 1/3 position. Uh, that's it, for today. So just be patient. Small size. Feels like we may want to pull back. So have a great day, and I'll talk to you tomorrow with some more ideas.